See my transition. In my head, I know exactly who I wanna be. It's just me versus me. I've got the game, chokehold on the lead. Last 2 years been a rough ride. This year I'm giving more of me. Look, I just wanna do this right. I don't wanna waste no time. Came back in a full circle. They fretting by my prime. Travel, baby. Look, watch how a nigga came around in a full circle. I know they watching, they cannot hate. I'm somewhere in the clouds cause of the purple. I'm so high, I can see the pearly gates. I'ma flip this from nothing into something. Take a little time, you just gotta wait, yeah. Now they see me stunting in the paddock Philippe. My fabrics is clean, got a little gold in my teeth. They checking my grill, I already seen it like this, so it's real, yeah. I even went and wrote me a check for $1 million. They ain't even know that I was straight up out the west. Way too many bangers, I was just trying to impress. They ain't even know what I was eating off my plate. Just a young king out of 758. I done came back in a full circle. I was tumbling over the hurdle. I thought I wouldn't make it. I kept my faith with a lot of patience. I done came back in a full circle. I was tumbling over the hurdle. I thought I wouldn't make it. I kept my faith and a lot of patience. I know I made this shit look easy, for real. No lie, dog, the pressure can kill, but I don't mind it. I'm from the islands, everything take time, and best believe they gon' notice me. From the backdrop, I'm watching closely. I see the scheme, a little rivalry. It's all good cause I'm focusing on me. I'm just trying to fuck 'em up from every angle. Put my imprint down in history. It's a lot of shit I gotta handle. That's why I came back 360. I done came back in a full circle. I was tumbling over the hurdle. I thought I wouldn't make it. I kept my faith with a lot of patience. I done came back in a full circle. I was tumbling over the hurdle. I thought I wouldn't make it. I kept my faith with a lot of patience. bullets, I done hit once, I ain't cuffing it. Went from a ghost to a culling, and niggas ain't fucking with niggas that running shit. And I can tell, I know they want the recipe, baby, don't kiss and tell. I got me some diamonds that glitter, they paint in a picture, I know you can tell. Cropping you out, you can't fit in the frame. Your energy weak, our painting the same. Chopping up raps in the studio, afterwards nigga, we jacking your loot. Push over them niggas like dominoes, pull out your gun and my nigga, you shoot. Yeah, I do what I want cause I'm making the rules. I'm making the rules. I do what I want cause I'm breaking the rules. So you do what you wanna do. Do what you want. I'ma do what I'm designed to do. Yeah, I think I'm way too conceited. I let her give me some top. Afterwards worship my semen, oh baby. Them other niggas told you lies. All a nigga wanted was to taste what's between your thighs. I think I'm way too conceited. I let her give me some top. Afterwards worship my semen, oh baby. Them other niggas told you lies. All a nigga wanted was to taste what's between your thighs.
I know they want me to die, but I'm staying alive. I shifted my focus, I'm putting my eyes on the prize. Once I make it to the top, I'm taking my guys. I'm so misunderstood, I don't even try. I know they praying and wishing I die. I'd rather go prison than to see you cry. I know your ex-niggas been telling you lies, but baby, I'm real hard to find. Yeah, I know you don't want me to win. I beat the odds and I do it again. They look up to me, they know I'm the man. Yeah. If you wanna book me, you pay in advance. Why would you hate me? I gave you a chance. It's only us at the top game band. Yeah. I do what I want, but you do what you can. If you can't help it, that boy ain't your man. I speak what's on my mind, I don't need a pen.
Yeah, I think I'm way too conceited. I let her give me some top. Afterwards worship my semen, oh baby. Them other niggas told you lies. All a nigga wanted was to taste what's between your thighs. I think I'm way too conceited. I let her give me some top. Afterwards worship my semen, oh baby. Them other niggas told you lies. All a nigga wanted was to taste what's between your thighs.